top of my class. I'm so nice and precise with my math. They wanna hear my twos, they wanna hear my twos, they wanna hear my twos, they wanna hear my twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, stop, freeze, pause, set it off.
What's up, scholars? This is Mrs. Finney with Lyrical Math. This is our track tutorial for our song, You Know Me. This track covers the math concept for multiplication, and what you just heard are the answers for the 2 times tables. Also included in this song are the answers for the 3s, 4s, 5s, and 6s. The learning objectives for this song is for you to practice reciting and memorizing your answers, also known as the product, for your 2 through 6 times tables. Let's practice together.
Hear my twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, stop, freeze, pause, set it off.
All right, so what we just did, we covered the answers for our 2 times tables once again. What do these answers mean? So when we say 2, we are saying we have 2 groups of 1 that equal a total of 2 items. Here we have an illustration of 2 groups, and each group has 1 item inside of it, and it gives us a total of 2 items. The next one we have for 4 means 2 groups of 2. The illustration shows 2 groups with 2 items in each group. That gives us a total of 4. What does it mean when we say 2 times 3? I want you to think about that. That is 2 groups of what? 3, which is going to give us a total of 6 items. All right. Thank you so much for practicing your times tables with me. Continue to listen to this track, and I'll see you again on another track tutorial. Peace out.